So my name is Graham Hackland. I'm the ITIS Director for the Lotus Renault GP team. Most people will know us as Renault F1, as we've been in the past years. In more recent times now, we have a partnership with Lotus, who've come in as our title sponsor. So now we're seeing, under the ownership of Gen I Capital, a whole different thinking in terms of how to fund a Formula One team. Technology is extremely important in Formula One. It's one of the most advanced technology sports in the world. When you think about the trackside, it's a very hostile environment. It really is not an ideal data center as we have here at the factory. And we've now had 7 seasons of using NetApp filers at the track. And not once have we ever compromised the team at all. 100% reliability when the car's on the track, when the engineers need the data, and that's extraordinary in our experience. For us, there's been a real focus on data management. When you think about that Formula One car, as it travels around the track, over the course of a whole race weekend, it's anywhere, depending on the circuit, between 25 and 50 gig of data that we will generate. And that's a huge amount for us to manage, protect, move around the world, but also make available to the engineers so that they can make decisions in real time at the track about what they're going to do with that car to try and get us further and further up the grid. Ultimately, we want to win races. With NetApp's help, their consultants and their designers have helped us to come up with a really robust architecture that we use, which means that our restore time is much quicker, and that really helps our end users. By putting the virtual tape library in and the tiering of the storage, we're able to restore any data that they need pretty much as quickly as they need it. When you think about the traveling team, especially for the flyaway races where we have to pack everything into crates, send it off to countries all over the world, and weight saving is a big issue for us. You know, we get charged about $200 a kilo. So that's a significant amount. And everything we can do to bring those costs down is more money that we can put to the car. With NetApp, we get a very high capacity in a very small footprint. So we're making significant savings, especially this season. We're seeing in excess of $100,000 a year being saved just on freight, and NetApp are part of that. The efficiency benefits that we get from NetApp help us in a number of ways. And if you think about Snap Mirror and Snap Restore, our users can restore their own data, which means they don't have to wait on IT, they can get their data back much quicker. It reduces the time that it takes to restore data. So we've seen huge benefits from using Snap Mirror and Snap Restore. And the other obvious example is deduplication. We're seeing in some areas between 45 and 50% recovery of storage. I always refer to NetApp as a company that we like to do business with. And that's about the people. The technology is important, of course it is, because it has to work and it has to give us the advantage that it does. But these shared values of innovation, you know, Formula One and this team especially, see innovation in technology as the way to win. We've done it before, we're going to do it again, and we're going to do it with NetApp's help.